Alright guys, I'm out here on this little lake on my new kayak. Second time out on it. See if I can catch some frogfish. Hopefully I just get stuck on some of these. Oh yeah, there we go, baby. Poor guy, but I got him. Nice. First one of the day. I'll take it, dude. Nice. Nice little guy, but he's fun. See you later, dude. Nice, good start. All right. A little mouse. This thing is sick. I have a feeling that side to the left's gonna be a lot better. We'll find out. See how this goes. Got him, maybe. That was my son running with it. Hey, calm down. Hey. Oh yeah, nice one. Good fish. Get him back in here. There we go. He nailed it. He really wanted that jig. Oop. Got it. Ah, shit, I had a bite there. He got one of my tails. Let's see if he bites again. Yep. Damn it. He's hitting it pretty hard too. Did he get my other claw? Oh, he got both tails. Flipped it in once, got the one tail, flipped it in the second time, got the other. Oh man. Alright. So, I don't know, they might be biting topwater now. We might be onto something, I don't know. We'll see. The sun's starting to go down, so that's always good. I just hooked up with one on the top water. There he is. Hey, little guy. There it is. Little guy. Got the little spook. There we go. Nice little dude. Alright, see you, buddy. That's cool. I love catching even the little guys. Any bass is good in my book. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Not bad. Come on. He's chunky, man. Here we go. There we go. That's a nice little 1.5. Sweet. All right, they're hitting top water. They are going good for top water. That's nice. All right, I'm gonna make a move back to the waterfall, see if that is stacked with fish right now, because it might just be. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Nice bass. He's fat. Wow, he is chunky. That's a nice fish right there. Nice. All right. I knew this was the spot to come. Oh yeah. There it goes. Nice. All right. Now if my battery dies, I don't feel as bad. This is such a cool spot. Let's see if I can get one more before my battery goes. Oh yeah, there we go. There's another good one. Oh, nice. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Oh, fell off. Hey, calm down, calm down. Hey. There we go. Yeah, another nice one. Not as good, but he's still fun. He hit it so hard. They are loving the spook right now over this waterfall. This is awesome. All right, see you, buddy. Let's keep it going. Ooh, fish just jumped right there. Ooh, he hit it. He hit it hard. Did not get it though. All right, guys, last cast. That's it for me. All right, what a day. Started pretty slow, but definitely ended strong. That's for sure. All right, let's get out of here. All right, guys, back on shore. Thanks for watching. We had a good day, you know. Can't complain at all. It started off a little slow, but it definitely picked up and had a good time. There's fish still jumping everywhere, but it's starting to get dark, so I'm out of here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.